Very good morning, class 8. Today we will continue with the chapter ethics. Again, it is my lecture number 3 for the ethics chapter. Earlier we discussed how can we prevention with the cyber crime. Okay, and how can we make ourselves safe with the phishing and other activity done by the hackers. And also I told you what is the difference between hackers and crackers. Okay, now today I will discuss the character next is spamming. My dear student, what is the meaning of spamming? Spamming means a junk mail. Spamming is just like that कि a person who is sending you a mail and that is that was unknown. If it is unknown, so it will definitely go on your spam mailbox. You know your mail ID inbox. The same list you have in inbox as in inbox series. Same you have a spam also. There's a one facility spam messages wherever you get your unknown messages. Okay. So whenever the authorized user is going to be a click over there, so definitely it will caught by it will share all the information with that authorized user who has sent that unknown mail. So my dear student, if you don't know any person, so avoid to open that unknown message and avoid to open the unknown link. Okay, whenever you do the same, you will definitely be in problem because sometimes of hacker is making that type of virus which can enter in your computer and take your all the information. Either we are talking about a computer or we are talking about our mobile. So spamming is that kind of the character. So always be alert for that kind of the message. The next is software piracy. My dear students, what is the meaning of software piracy? Software piracy means secure our system with other things. Means like I am a singer, okay, and I am working in a company who's organized my singing. So in that company, my dear students, maybe some of the people who is in a मतलब जो क्या करते हैं उस CD को नकली करके, that is not original CD, that is a नकली CD. Okay, so that CD they are purchased in a market. Okay, so what is happening? So that is not authorized CD. Okay, some CD you can see that the logo of the particular company which have made that CD is not present on that CD. If it is not present, that means the CD is copyright. It's not original. It is a copyright. So software piracy means you are an unauthorized user and you want to be authorized that thing. Okay, एक unauthorized user जब authorization पर attack करता है तो that is known as a software piracy. इसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे मान लीजिए कोई भी फिल्म रिलीज हुई और आपने उसकी डबिंग कर ली, तो डबिंग करके आपने उसको जनरेट कर दिया ताकि लोग उसे देख सके और अपना उससे मनी ले रहे हो. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द मीन ऑफ कि सॉफ्टवेयर किसी और का, ऑथराइज यूजर दूसरा, विदाउट देयर परमिशन यू कैन अटैक देयर डेटा एंड यू कैन टेक देयर डेटा. तो इट इज वेरी इलीगल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स में सबसे पहले वन कैन गेट ओन क्रिएशन कॉपीराइट्स and patent and use trademark. This trademark is often used to give a particular permission of the authorized user using that one. Next is internet safety measure. Internet safety measure mein, my dear students, do not share your photo with the internet and don't use the unattended messages on internet. Okay, whenever you are sharing your data with your friends, make sure the gateway is very secure. The next is whenever you want to upload or download something, make sure your gateway is very secure. I told you earlier what is the meaning of gateway. Whenever avoid to give any comment to the social networking site. It is sometimes it is very illegal when you are attacking to someone personal information. Do not share your personal information on change your password within a month or 2 months or 3 months to save your account. Okay. Next is digital footprint. Digital footprint means, like suppose if I am giving you example, my dear student, if you are going in a lifetime, you are going in a beach, तो आप समुद्र में जब जाते हैं, when you are walking over there, तो रेत के ऊपर आपके पैरों के निशान हो जाते हैं. तो that is the same a digital footprint, कि जब भी आप when you are sharing any information in the internet, आप अपनी उसमें क्या छोड़ देते हो, निशान छोड़ देते हो. It means you are sharing your another information also. So avoid to do the digital footprints. If you are using the digital footprint option, remove after working it. Okay, it's a very risk, so you take the proper precaution for that. Okay, so actually caution, if you are talking about the caution, my dear students, so caution means internet, you know, internet is a very open resources for everyone. Okay, things online, if you are sharing anything, can be copied, can be saved, can be used. Okay, don't do the personal intention insult of anyone, and don't give the comments of anyone. Okay, avoid to give the comments in social networking site. It can be harmful for you, because these all the things is very illegal. Okay, always consult your parents, your teachers, whatever you are thinking for your privacy setting. Okay, manage your reputation, manage your particular account ID, and manage your gateway also which you are using. Always use the safe web browser for your protection. If the browser will be safe, so it will not be harmful for you. So in today's chapter we learn how can we save ourselves with doing our cyber crime. Again I am saying, it's my humble request, avoid to give any comments in a social networking